HEALTHCAREONOMICS, changing healthcare by changing the way you think about healthcare. Welcome to HEALTHCAREONOMICS 101. I'm Dr. Kevin Wacasey, and today's lesson is on how the price has flown. 10 years ago, flu shots were $15. Then health insurance started covering them. Now flu shots are $40. Any questions? Now you can easily compare health insurance plans and pick the one that makes the most financial sense with the Dr. W's Equation app, available for Android and iPhone. And for more information on how you can save on health insurance and healthcare, check out my books, available now on Amazon, iTunes, and Nook. To help spread this message, please click the like button on this video. You can also subscribe to the HealthCareOnomics YouTube channel and visit healthcareonomics.com.